Okay, this tutorial will show you the printing of a CAD report. So I have a small inspection with a PEX scanned slot from our test piece. So I've already linked it to the CAD. If I right click on the feature, you can see the points on the CAD. Now if I adjust this, I can adjust the transparency, and also I can adjust the thickness of these lines. So I'm going to run reports now. So while this is open, tick the right reports I want. Now, because Unit 5 curve is open, it's already appeared in this list. If I want to add a feature, just click on Add, choose Red, and I'm going to add the center circle also. Now I'm going to right click and copy this and also paste it into the other type of report. So I've got tabulated and graphics. I'm going to run the reports. So now I have the tabulated for the slot, all the nominals, all the deviations, tabulated for the circle, graphics for the slot, and also graphics for the circle.